Ever feel like you're doing all the right things, trying every beauty hack, drinking water, cutting snacks, but still wondering, why do these other girls look so effortlessly pretty and fit? Yeah, same girl. But here's the real tea. There's no magic spell, no secret potion. It's all about simple tricks that actually work and don't cost a single dollar. What if you could lose weight in just 1 week? No dieting, no gym membership, no expensive products. Sounds too good to be true? Trust me, girl, it's not. Today I'm giving you real science-backed hacks that target your face, belly, chest, arms, and legs. So you can get that dream body fast, no starving, no stress. So grab your prettiest notebook and your favorite drink, because we're about to get you that snatched look in just 7 days. Let's get started. Tip 1. Eat healthy, stay balanced. What you eat really matters. Focus on fresh vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins like chicken and tofu. Include whole grains like oats and quinoa. These foods are packed with nutrients and help keep you full for longer. Instead of processed snacks, go for homemade options. It's totally fine to treat yourself once in a while, but always in moderation. Remember, it's about balance, not deprivation. Tip 2. Control your portions. Portion control plays a big role. Eating the right amount can help prevent overeating when still keeping you satisfied. Use smaller plates to help control how much you eat. As a quick guide, meat should be the size of your palm, grains just a handful. Start your meals with a glass of water and a light salad to avoid overeating. Tip 3. Stay active. Move more, sit less. Physical activity is a game changer for both weight loss and your overall health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity like walking, or 75 minutes of intense workouts like running each week. Don't forget to add strength training like squats and push-ups. Building muscle boosts your metabolism. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even when you're resting. Tip 4. Drink more water. Staying hydrated is essential. Water helps control hunger, supports digestion, and keeps you energized. Drinking water before meals can also make you feel full, so you naturally eat less. Aim for 8 glasses a day. If plain water feels boring, add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. And skip sugary drinks. They just add unnecessary calories. Tip 5. Prioritize your sleep. Good sleep is key for weight loss and overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours every night. Set a relaxing bedtime routine. Maybe read or meditate. Avoid caffeine and screens before bed. A well-rested body performs better in workouts and helps resist those unhealthy cravings. Tip 6. Stay consistent. Consistency always beats perfection. Stick to your healthy habits even on tough days. It's okay to have slip-ups. What really matters is the overall pattern. Keep a journal to track your meals, workouts, and progress. It's a great way to stay accountable and see how far you've come. And don't forget to celebrate the small wins along the way. Tip 7. Practice mindful eating. Slow down and truly enjoy your food. Avoid distractions like TV or scrolling on your phone while eating. Focus on the flavors and textures. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you feel satisfied. Over time, mindful eating helps build a healthy relationship with food. Tip 8. Build a support system. You don't have to do this alone. Share your goals with friends or join a fitness community. A strong support system keeps you motivated and accountable, especially on days when you feel like giving up. Tip 9. Manage your stress. stress often leads to emotional eating, which can derail your efforts. Managing stress is so important. Try yoga, meditation, or simply go for a peaceful walk. Even spending a little time in nature can lift your mood and reduce stress. A calm mind leads to better choices for your health. Tip 10. Set realistic goals. Dream big, but always start small. Setting specific and achievable goals keeps you motivated and makes progress easier to track. For example, say, I'll lose 5 pounds this month by working out 3 times a week. Or, I'll add 1 serving of vegetables to my meals every day. Small, consistent steps lead to big, lasting success. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's crush your goals together.